If you actually do a life cycle analysis, that is to start from the very beginnings of taking the ore out of the ground and then calculating the environmental impact all the way to the end when you recycle the car, an electric car is not that environmentally friendly.
I learned that lesson really by having built a large format all-electric car, looking at that full life cycle. The data showed that the manufacturing parts have a far greater impact than the tailpipe exhaust. We've gone from that world where there was this endless growth to one where we're filling up the planet. What we're doing is taking 3D printing manufacturing and assembly that then empowers car makers, whether they're big like PSA or smaller teams that are independent, implementing that on real production cars that will go out in volume.
We looked at how the 3D printing of plastic was accelerating and realized that there was a roadmap for 3D printing of metal to actually be a reasonable way to manufacture a car.
It's making them safer, higher performing, more fuel efficient, environmentally friendly.
We're a technology company that's focused on other companies. We want to partner with them and build cars that are based off of our Divergent platform. Our car, Blade, is about demonstrating the technology is fully functional.
They're literally replacing $1 billion plus factory with probably less than $50 million of printing and assembly equipment.
What you have here is an opportunity to enable local producers to produce cars at smaller volumes without having the same capital barrier to entry.
Most machines used in manufacturing have limitations. With 3D printing, those limitations go away.
Cosmetic things like color, or textures or fabrics, people who want to develop products in a much more democratic sort of way, they can personalize them more.
These materials outperform existing materials that would be used for the structure of a car. We've done the things that a large car company would want done at every step of the way.
We have a strategic partnership with PSA where we're looking at doing more high volume vehicles.
We're certainly trying to find ways to be more efficient, being more conscious of the environmental impact.
We're trying to change the way that things have been done for the past 100 years. The small incremental steps that have been taken to the way we build cars is not enough to save the planet.
The UN says vehicle manufacturing is the most damaging human activity. The mission of this place is to replace planet-destroying manufacturing with planet-saving manufacturing.